Welcome to lesson number 3, drawing a Metatron's cube. In this lesson, we're going to use the same materials as before. A compass, ensure the two tips are aligned and touching when closed, a pencil, a color pen, and a ruler. Additionally, we will be using our pre-made templates, available for download in our website. We will begin by connecting the ends of the petals of the outer points using a ruler. Open the compass carefully and adjust the radius to match the size of your printed guides. If you're not using the template, I recommend starting with our free lesson number 1 on the flower of life, which provides the fundamental base for this exercise. If you would like to follow along with the template, you can also visit our website, monicadesignCenter.com. Check the lessons page under Download Center to get them. Once you have the flower of life drawn, start tracing the lines over the given guidelines. We are using our template here as well. Make sure to extend them all the way out, as we will be adding 3 additional circles outside the petal tip. These circles will form the base of the Metatron's cube. Once your 3 lines are straight and connected to the outer tip of each petal, extend it a long way outside to accommodate 3 additional circles at each end. Set up your compass to match the radius of the flower of life. Begin with the first petal at the top. Where the circle intersects the line, draw 1 circle. Maintain the same radius throughout the entire exercise. Where the top circle intersects the extended line, use that point as the center for the next circle. Repeat this step for the 3rd circle, ensuring that each new circle is based on the previous intersection. Repeat this process for each petal. The Metatron's cube contains the 5 regular Platonic solids, which are tetrahedron, 4 triangular faces, hexahedron, a cube, 6 square faces, octahedron, 8 triangular faces, dodecahedron, 12 pentagonal faces, and the icosahedron, 20 triangular faces. Each of these solids is perfectly symmetrical with equal faces, edges, and angles, making them fundamental in geometry and design. Once you complete all the circles, you will see the connection points that form the foundation of the Metatron's cube. Let's start connecting the centers of the outer circles we just created. Use a ruler to carefully connect these points. As you do this, you will see the Metatron's cube emerging. As we progress, we will learn more about the Platonic solids, fundamental structure in nature, architecture, and design. Let's enhance our drawing using our template and a colored pen to make the structure stand out. The Metatron's cube serves as a blueprint for structure and form in both nature and human-made design. It is created by extending the flower of life pattern and connecting its intersection points with straight lines, revealing these geometric forms. You can use it in architecture, graphic design, industrial design, and many other fields. Feel free to experiment and explore. I added imperfect AI-generated images to serve as examples of how you can apply your new knowledge to any field of design you prefer, or simply for fun. See you in the next lesson. Bye.